Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to recover your Discord account. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe and notification turned on to our channel because we post content like this so to get notified for our future video. Be sure to subscribe and notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So if you forget your password of your Discord account, once you open the Discord login page in your desktop, this is what it shows. Entering your email, you can click on forget your password because you forget your password. Now it's going to send a link to our email which you typed over here. So now let me open our email to check. As you guys can see, the Discord password reset request, they have sent me a link over here. So now I'm going to reset my Discord's password over here. For changing your password, now you have recovered your Discord account. Now you have recovered your Discord account. Now you can go to Discord again and type the new password over here. Log in. Boom, that's how we do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification turned on to our channel because we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe and notification on, and I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.